January 30th, 2022, the day after the big blizzard. It was quite a scene yesterday. All that snow, all that wind. Like the old saying goes, it was not a fitting day out for man or beast. Here's a little example of how deep that snow is. Makes you wonder how long it took for those people to dig themselves out. Gotta be careful on these streets. Pretty slippery with snow and ice. It is beautiful, though. A pure blanket of snow. Fun to look at, but definitely not fun to travel in. I mean, look at this. It took them hours to dig themselves out of that one. Uh-oh. Looks like this place hasn't been touched yet. Gotta feel sorry for those poor people who are in there. But despite all the snow that fell, the snowplows did a pretty good job plowing this area around, even yesterday. Sure is quiet out here. Then again, not many people are out. They're just cleaning out their driveways and whatever. One thing for sure, though, this blizzard is definitely one for the record books.